This is the Lanzi Magnetic RGB tube light. This is a great special effects light for filmmaking and photography. For $85, you can get a set of 3 of these lights and take your YouTube videos from looking like this to this. For this lighting setup, I had my first light set to orange, lighting up the background on the left, and my second light set to blue, lighting up the background on the right side. Then my third light I had set up just a little ways away from my camera, pointing back towards myself so that it would light up my face. Here's before, and here's after. The light's built-in battery will last up to 90 minutes. On the back, there's a small LCD screen for navigating through the different colors and lighting effects. It also has magnets, so you can easily stick this to any metal surfaces. You can also hook these together either back to back or end to end. So you could use a couple of these small lights to make one big light. There's also 1/4-20 threads on both ends of this light, so you can connect it to camera accessories and tripods. If you guys want one of these lights, links for it in the description below. Go check out some of my other videos right here, and I'll see you guys all next time.